take a shortcut through here?
I don't know, man. Whatever you want, dog.
Alright, looks kind of shady, but you know.
You're too slow.
You jumped you on your own. Bro, come on, open. I'm playing.
Speaking in black, so like I had to smash. And I'm talking dick through the nose smash.
my gosh,
I was
bro.
in there. Oh!
Wait, hold up. Who was that?
Yo,
A whole nigga.
is that Bobby and them?
Oh, shit, dog.
Bro, don't you owe them money too?
Fuck, bro. I owe them money for the studio.
No.
Bruh, I'm not black enough for all this. I thought you were real.
Nah.
That's what I'm gonna do. Nah, hold up, wait. I'm gonna pay Bobby, nigga.
Long as fuck.
Hey, you ain't gonna run from the.
Bro, this designer.
You ain't gonna run from the.
To be continued. Alright, but for real.